So here's an update on the KMG Speed 1/14 scale that I'm currently making. Not much has happened, unfortunately. Sorry, there's not been really many videos. There's not going to be any, to be honest, this side of Christmas. So we'll resume after Christmas and make sure I'll be uploading, etc. But yeah, where I'm at, I've actually, you probably see there's an arm missing. I'd had a bit of a accident with the arm. It snapped in half, so I'm currently reprinting this one completely again. I've got one more piece to build, and I've actually reprinted the whole main arm again. I wanted some changes done on the top bit, which I've done now. So I've got a little hole here which goes right through, and I've also got the inspection light kind of shaft, etc., that you'll see on the row one. The two holes are for where the coupler will sit on, which then goes onto the truck. I've just got some little hinge points to make on the front. I've just put a little slot in here so I can then later on put a kind of loop connector in, which will then have the hydraulic ram which connects onto the trailer, which obviously the trailer I have been starting on. So I've currently built it in 3 pieces. The top piece is it's all just kind of hot glued together for the time being, and a quick bolt for the middle, just so I can see what it's like. Because these pieces I'm going to have to probably put a couple of little holes in as I'm going along. I definitely know I need 2 little holes each side for the little servos I'm going to get to do the stairs. Obviously they retract back and forth. I've also got the 2 supports at the back, and then obviously on the front ones just kind of swing out, the back ones kind of fold down. These took a bit of time. I've got holes going straight through, which again, when the pin goes down, there's a couple of pins that support on these. I've also got just on the side here little holes, so all the cables will be running straight down the main arm, and then they'll come out and they'll literally just feed through that hole, and I'll put them on a little kind of edge, and that's where there's like a main box sits on the side, and that's where I'm going to have the light controller. It's just kind of set on the side there. So I have the cables running into this, running out to the generator that I'm going to make for the truck, and then there'll be obviously the motor cables running along, and again they'll just go into the truck generator that I'm planning to build. I have got all these pieces. I've just got to glue them on, so I've made this piece, which obviously then I don't remember how it goes on. Sits there like that, and then so forth. That will all be glued on there together. That's done. I've had a little go on again. So when you come out the little at the top to how they extend the arms, they have to climb up through the middle and connect. I believe it's just like a hydraulic connection they've got, or an air connection. But anyway, there's a platform at the top. So I'm just in the process of making this platform basically that will fit all the way around the outside of the top bit. That's about it really. That's as far as I've got. Yeah, unfortunately, sorry, there's not going to be much happening with this until after Christmas. I never seem to start one project and finish it on its own. I'm currently also doing, so I'm currently building a truck at the same time. I've just been painting this. I'm now going through, I've got loads of lights that I'm slowly connecting up. I'm just running through things because I'm doing more lights than what obviously the basic standard truck lights they do, etc. I've got 2 reverse light, 2 back lights, etc. And then on the main cab, I've got flashing lights all going in the grills. I've got turning and fog lights I've got, and then I'm also going to be putting some little daylight bulbs, one in there, and then a couple on the actual main thing. And then I've also got tons of chromey parts that I'm going to add additional lights on the roof, etc. So yeah, I'm kind of doing this and doing that, and then I've also decided to build I'm building a shed in my garden next year, so I'm making it from scratch. So I'm currently building 1/14 scale, a little mock-up of what my shed's going to look like in the garden. Obviously my son's playing with it at the moment with his little truck. But yeah, I'm kind of doing all that together, but unfortunately it's on the pause now. Currently building some bits for some Christmas presents. So anyway, if I don't do any videos before Christmas, hope you all Merry Christmas, and I'll definitely keep these videos coming, don't worry. I'll resume in January. Thank you.